الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم.
One of the unfortunate things is that people have evil desires, and to fulfill those desires, they misuse the religion. Okay? Some people, they desire to not have separation between men and women. They want to fulfill their desires. They want men and women together. But they can't say it because still till today, alhamdulillah, Allah has put ghuraba and firqa naji and stuff to keep them a little bit in check. But as they try to get brave, they start to mess with the religion. Right? So what do? Is they say, well, in the time of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, there was no partition between men and women. So in our masjid, we will have no partition between men and women. Oh, mashallah, how strict are you on the sunnah? Allahu Akbar. Right? In the time of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he told the men that after salah, sit and make adhkar, and the women to leave first. Do you do that? Oh, you forgot that one. Okay. In the time of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he made bab al-nisa. He told women, you cannot go to the other bab. You have to go through only one door. Do you do that in your masjid? Oh, you forgot that one too. Okay. In the time of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Aisha radhiyallahu anha said the women would come to salah and go back without being recognized. Are the women coming to your masjid in that type of abayat and niqab and hijab that they could come to the masjid and go back without being recognized? Oh, you forgot that one too. No problem. In the time of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he ordered the women, if you put the atar, if you put the perfume, don't come to the masjid. Do you do that in your masjid? Oh, you don't. Oh, you forgot that one too. You only remembered not having the separation. Okay. In the time of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, there was no roof. The masjid had no roof. They only had palm trees that were put to, the leaves on palm trees to keep. There was no roof. Does your masjid have a roof? Oh, it does. Okay. In the time of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the masjid had no carpet. It had no lights. You forgot all of that. You just remember not. In the time of Rasulullah, the masjid was very simple. But even with that simple masjid, Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam ensured not to have mixing of men and women. By putting the men in the front, by putting the women in the back, by putting the children in the middle, by ordering the men to sit and make adhkar, the women to leave so they don't even leave at the same time, by assigning a door for women separate from that of the men, by saying even in the coming and going, women should be to the side and men should be in the street, in the middle, so they don't mix even going and coming. He ordered all of these things as checks and balances, which you totally ignore, just to try to fulfill your desires by saying, oh, we're following the sunnah. Let me see your board and who has a beard on your board. Let me see. Let's be real about it, right? You forgot all of that and you want to misuse something to try to justify mixing between men and women? La wallah. We will not let you. We will expose these tricks.